the still air above, the eagle's vision pierces through the clouds below. With an unwavering gaze, it sets its sights on distant peaks, untroubled by the crow's chatter. In the heart of struggle, the eagle remains unperturbed, learning to ignore the distractions. Focus leads to mastery. The eagle knows where to land its gaze. Only by detaching from the noise can the eagle embrace its true potential. Each beat of its wings resonates with inner peace and purpose. As the sun rises, the eagle's keen sight reveals endless possibilities. It teaches that persistent focus opens doors to the unknown. With each ascent, the eagle reminds us that distractions only serve to hinder our journey. Foresight is the key that unlocks true potential. Now rising above the tumult, the eagle charts its course with unwavering commitment. Inner focus becomes the greatest shield against adversity. With newfound clarity, the eagle embraces its path, immune to distractions that once blurred its vision. Harmony between mind and nature brings immense strength. In embracing its purpose, the eagle teaches us to rise above the noise. Inner peace becomes the ultimate goal for those daring to soar.